And if they can give so many news from this one point, then how much news we have got? And that is Srimad Bhagavatam from spiritual world. But there is no customer, that is different. Otherwise, so valuable instruction, so much information, all fact, dhruvam. Dhruvam means fact, not fictitious. So there would have been many, many customers, and because there is no Krishna consciousness, there is no culture, these literatures, they are not appreciated. So, what is next? Savai Bhagavata Raja Pandaviya Maharatha Balakrida Nakai Kridan Krishna Kridang Jadali. The Parikshit Maharaj says, these are the qualifications. Savai Bhagavata Raja, not ordinary Raja. Raja means king. Bhagavata. Bhagavata means great devotee. First class devotee, Bhagavata. Pandaviya, how he became Bhagavata? Because son, grandson, or in the dynasty of the Pandavas, Parikshit Maharaj was the grandson of Arjuna. So, Arjuna was Krishna's friend, he was Bhagavata. So, unfortunately, Arjuna's son died in the battle, Kurukshetra. He was also Bhagavat. He was Subhadra's son, Arjuna, Krishna's sister, the Subhadra, who is sitting here with Jagannath. So, Subhadra's son was Abhimanyu, but he died in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, 16 years old. But fortunately, his wife Uttara was pregnant, so Parikshit Maharaj was within the womb of Uttara. So he was saved. All others died. The Pandavaya, coming in the dynasty of the Pandavas, they were Bhagavat. Maharatha. At the same time, he could fight thousands of warriors, Maharatha. A Kshatri who alone can fight with another 1,000 Kshatris, he is called Maharatha. So, it does not mean to become Bhagavata, means to become devotee. One has to stop all other activities. No. Here it is called Maharatha. Maharatha means a great commander. The great commander can also become Bhagavata. A great merchant can become also Bhagavata. And a great Brahmin, learned scholar, he can also become Bhagavata. There is no restriction. Not that simply one who is Vedantis, who is very learned scholar, he can become Bhagavata. No. The social system was so nice that everyone could become Bhagavata. A Brahmin could become Bhagavata, a Kshatri could become Bhagavata, a Vaishya could become Bhagavata, or a Shudra could also become a Bhagavata. Sriya Shudra Tatha Vaishya, Krishna says person, never mind whether he is woman or a Shudra or a Vaishya, te bijanti parangati. All of them can go back to home, back to garden. How? Manhi patha vipasitya jeepishu papajuna. Simply he has to take shelter of me seriously, that's all. Never mind what he is. Sri Pijanti Paranga. So, this Parikshit Maharaj, in his childhood, he was Balakridanaka Kridan. He was playing with Radha Krishna. That is the advantage of getting birth in a Vaishnava family. It's like some of our children. They are playing with Jagannath. They are playing with Radha Krishna. In India, that Saraswati, Swami Sundar's daughter, she offers arati and brings the arati for me. I take. Yes. So, learning, just the child, mother is offering obeisance, and the child is. We used to do that. We got this opportunity of good father and mother. We are trained up. Similarly, you can also train up your children. Then, your becoming father and mother is perfect. Otherwise, the dogs and cats and hogs, they also beget children. They are more expert. A hog can beget children twice in a year, and each time more than 1 dozen. So you cannot compete with them. It is not possible. Sometimes you beget 2 children twice. But that is not competition. The competition is that you make your children God conscious. Give them. They are playing with Krishna. That New Vrindavan, DDD, he was given by his father toys. I was present. And he did not touch the toys. He said, it is Maya. Yes. It is Maya. So, everything should be taught from childhood. That is Prahlad Maharaj's instruction. Kaumaro acharit pragyo dharman bhagavatanya. So, from the very beginning, there is no teaching. There is no God consciousness. Then what will be the result? You may stand in a very decorated university where the result will be hippies. That's all. You cannot expect anything more. You cannot expect. So teach them from the very beginning how to become Krishna conscious. Then you will find nice population, beautiful population, peaceful atmosphere, social condition, very nice, systematic, everyone is happy, and in happiness, that all chanting, Krishna conscious, Krishna, Hare Krishna, every house there is dingling of bells, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Make Vaikuntha. That is my request. Teach from the very beginning of life. Just like Balakriya, Balakriyana Koi Kriyan. By playing, he is becoming Krishna conscious. So in our Dallas, you go, save all these children, those who have come to your shelter. It is the duty of the father and mother. It is the duty of guardian to save the dependents from the impending danger of death, repeated birth and death. So, if you cannot save these children, then it is useless. Save them. So we have got our center in Dallas. All children should go, and the advanced girls, they should go there and take care. Just produce a new generation, just like Parikshit Maharaj. Produce a new generation. Balakrinakil, from the very childhood. Thinking of Krishna, playing of Krishna, eating of Krishna, 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 then he cannot become otherwise. Therefore Prahlad Maharaj, he was a child, 5 years old child. He was teaching his class fellows. So they refused. Prahlad, why you are bothering with this? When he shall get old, he shall think of this Krishna. No. He insisted, no. Kaumaro acharit pragya dharman bhagavatan. Durlabanga manasang janma. You cannot get again such opportunity. So you immediately begin. Immediately try to become Krishna conscious. All right, Kirtan.